Hi there. How's it going?
Hey. Not bad, thanks. Just finished a workout. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been trying to pick up a new hobby, thinking about learning to play the guitar.
That sounds exciting. What inspired you to take up the guitar?
Well, I've always been fascinated by music, and I thought it could be a fun challenge. Have you ever tried learning an instrument?
I tried the piano once, but it didn't stick. How do you plan to start with the guitar?
I found some online tutorials, and I bought a beginner's guide. Planning to start with the basics. It's a bit overwhelming, though.
I totally get that. Learning something new can be a bit daunting at first. But don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Have you set a practice routine?
Not yet. Any suggestions?
I'd recommend starting with short sessions, maybe 15 to 20 minutes a day. Consistency is key. And don't forget to enjoy the process.
Good advice. By the way, do you have any favorite genres of music?
I'm into a bit of everything, but lately, I've been listening to a lot of indie rock. How about you?
I enjoy pop and acoustic stuff. Any recommendations from your indie rock playlist?
Sure, check out the Paper Kites or Alt J. They have a unique sound. What's your favorite pop artist?
I love Ed Sheeran. His songwriting is amazing. Have you been to any concerts lately?
Sadly, no. Concerts have been on hold for a while. I miss the live music experience. How about you?
Same here. There's something magical about live performances. Hopefully, we can attend concerts again soon.
Absolutely. Well, it was great chatting with you. Let me know how your guitar journey goes, and maybe we can jam sometime.
Definitely. Thanks for the chat. Talk to you later.
Take care. Good luck with the guitar.